How to change clock in Android lock screen. Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to change clock in Android lock screen. So the first step is to open your settings application. So depending on your Android device, the settings application may differ. Okay, so when you open your settings, come and look for display and brightness. As you can see, the clock lock screen will look like this. So this one is a dark one and this one is a light one. If you want, you can switch from dark to light over there. So when you even switch from dark to light, even the Android phone itself will change its view. So the lock screen will be having a light background. If you switch back to dark background, the Android will also change its view, and even the lock screen will be having a dark background. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.